Good morning, fam. If your body feels heavy and your mind's still catching up, this one's for you. In just 5 minutes, we're going to reset your energy, release tension, and wake up your whole system without touching the floor. This is your standing mobility flow. Let's move. Start with your feet hip width. Hinge at the hips, slowly fold forward, sweeping your fingers across your toes, then slowly rise. This isn't about flexibility. It's about blood flow. You're flushing your nervous system, you're rinsing off sleep. Keep your knees soft, let your head hang heavy. Beginners, don't force a sweep. Touch your shins or ankles. Advanced stretches, try straight legs and sweep wider. Your hamstrings aren't just leg muscles, they connect your pelvis to your breath. Sweep once more, slower this time. Do you feel that release in your lower back yet? That just reconnected your brain and spine. Now let's open the side body. Clasp your hands overhead. Inhale tall. Exhale, lean gently to the right. Inhale up, exhale left. This stretch unlocks a secret most people ignore. Your breath follows your rib cage, and your rib cage can get stiff. Keep your hips stacked. Imagine creating space between your ribs and hips. Beginners, bend the elbows. Advanced stretches, add a side pulse for the last 10 seconds. The more space you create here, the calmer your nervous system becomes. Ready? Reach a little deeper. 5 more seconds. Can you feel one side tighter than the other? That's your posture revealing itself. We've expanded, literally. Now let's fire up the hips. Lift your right knee up, open it wide, lower it down, alternate sides, slow and controlled. This move resets your gait, posture, and balance. If you sit all day, your hips forget how to move like this. Keep your chest tall and core tight. Beginners, use a wall for support. Advanced stretches, try without letting the foot touch the floor. Tight hip capsules can literally cause a brain fog. Why? Because movement equals blood flow. Try holding the top of each lift for 1 second. Feel your balance waver. That's the truth of your stability showing up. Now that the hips are online, let's bring in some rhythm. Hands behind your head. Twist and drive your right knee towards your left elbow. Return. Alternate sides. This isn't just cardio, it's coordination. And if you've been feeling sluggish, this move turns the lights back on in your nervous system. Exhale on the twist. Keep your elbows wide. Beginners, slow down the tempo. Advanced stretches, add a knee pause at the top. Twisting wakes up your spine and core at the same time and builds metabolic momentum. Can you go just 10% faster for the last 10 seconds? Do you feel a heat building in your core? That's your body waking up. Let's cool the fire and ground the breath. Final move, chest opener. Interlace your fingers behind your back. Inhale, lift your chest. Exhale, gently pull the arms back and down. This is your posture reset. Your shoulders were made to open, not collapse under pressure. Keep your neck soft and knees relaxed. Use a towel between hands. Fold forward while keeping arms lifted. A rounded chest tells your body you're under threat. This move reverses that signal. Hold and breathe. 1 more inch. 1 more second. Feel that release across your collarbones. That's confidence returning. You just gave your body 5 minutes of space, control, and breath. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints, it lives in your mind, it shows up in your habits. It drains your energy even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan, you need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body, scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog, a Bible-based nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. If you've been running on empty, this is how you come back stronger. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment to start your free 3-day reset now, because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts.